Good morning, children. Children, in the last period we have seen preposition, or you can say the position words. So today we will solve the book exercise. Okay. So we will see the topic 4.5 language study. In the language study we are going to study about position words. Okay. Now 4.5 language study, and this we are going to see position words. Look at the picture, read aloud and enact. So here picture is given, and what is given here? What this lady, can you see what she is doing? She is doing some work on the computer, and what she is saying? Oh, I need my English book to complete my project. Where it is? Now she is doing some work on the computer and she wants her English book to complete her project, and she is asking where is it. Now she is searching that. Now can you see in the first picture it is given. So where she has thought she has kept on the table. She is thinking that she has kept her book on the table. So can you see here the book is on the table. Then she said no, it is not on the table. Now she think of that it is near the TV. So near, can you see? Near means samne, paas mein. So it is the near the TV. Again she says no, it is not there. Then she saw behind the bag. So bag is kept and she is searching behind the bag. But there also she is not able to find her book. So again she says no, it is not here. Then she is searching under the chair. So can you see, under means niche, chair ke niche, under the chair, and there also she did not get the book, and she said no, it is not there. Now what happened? She said it is in my purse. Then she searched her purse, and yes, it was there in her purse. So in means inside the purse. So the word again I have told you: in, on, under, near, behind, between, in front of, over, all these are prepositions. So what is given here? Words that show the position are preposition words. So in, on, under, they shows the position of the things or person. So they are called as position words. Now children, there is an exercise to solve it. So what is that? A number exercise. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. So you have to look at the picture and you have to tell the position of the thing or person or the picture in which it is given. So can you see the first picture? The first picture is of peacock. So what is the sentence? The peacock is sitting dash the tree. So where he is sitting? He is sitting. Where he is sitting? Yes, correct. He is sitting on the tree. Now can you see the next picture? The man is standing dash the car. So where he is standing? Can you see? He is standing. Yes, very good. He is standing near the car. Okay. Now see the next sentence, third number. There is a water dash the jar. Can you see? It is inside the jar. The water is inside. So which preposition you will use? It is in the jar. Then the next is the car is parked dash the tree. So where can you see where is the car? Yes, correct. It is under the tree. Now the fourth one is the rabbit is hiding dash the tree. Can you see? He is hiding. So whenever we are hiding, we hide behind something. Yes, correct. So the rabbit is hiding behind the tree. So children, you have to solve this exercise in your book only. Okay. Now see question number B or exercise number B. What is given? Read the following sentence and draw the pictures in the box. Now here a box is given and you have to read. What is that? The apple is on the table. So here in this box you have to draw a picture of table, and on that table you have to draw one apple. So, can you see? Here I have drawn one table, and on, what is shown? Where is the apple? It is on the table. Okay. Now, here the ball is under the table. Now, here you have to show a table, and where is the ball? The ball is under. Can you see? This is the table and the ball is under the table. So, you have to draw these pictures here. Okay. Now, again, exercise number C. Do you do this? Say yes or no. So, here things are given and you have to tell whether you are going to do this or you are doing these things or not. Okay. So, see the first sentence. I write on the paper with chalks. So, do we write on the paper with chalk? Yes or no? On the paper. So, do we write with a chalk? No, we write with a pen or pencil. We write with a chalk on the blackboard. Okay. So, here we don't do this. So, we will write no. Then the next one is I wear clean uniform when I go to school. Yes, surely we wear a clean uniform. So, we will say yes. I drink my books. So, do we drink books? No, we drink water. So, that is, so what you will write? You will write no. The fourth one is I sit on my bench. Yes, we do sit on bench. So, we will write yes. Our classroom is clean. Yes, we all are good children and we are keeping our classroom clean. So, we will say yes. Then the sixth one is I give bath to my books every day. No, not at all. We won't give bath to our books. We take bath. So, this is no. Then the seventh number is I ask question and the teacher answers them. So, is it true? Whenever you are asking a question, your teacher answers, na? Yes. So, you will write yes. So, children, this exercise also you will do in your book. Now, here a D exercise is given, complete the word snake. A snake is given and then the blanks are there. So, you have to fill. So, can you see here given M-A-T, mat. Then here I is not filled, but so it is filled with a vowel T-I-N. So, you have to use the vowel to fill the word. Now, P-N is given. So, what you will write? P-E-N, pan. And again P and N is there. So, we will write P-A-N, pan. Then N and T is there. So, we will write N-E-T, net. Now, T-R dash and E is there. So, we will write E, T-R-E-E, tree. Then E dash G is given. So, we will write one more G. So, E-G-G, that is egg. Then G and N is given. So, you will write U. So, it becomes G-U-N, gun. Then B and N is B and N is given. So, we will write I. So, B-I-N, bin. Then B dash N dash is given. So, B-O-N-E, bone. Bone means haddi. Huh? So, in this way you have to complete the word snake using the vowels. Okay. Now, this is your, what's your homework? You have to complete exercise number A, B, C and D in English book only. No need to write it in the copy. Okay, children. So, we will meet you in the next period. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.